Hey family, welcome back to Rolling in the Kitchen with BJ. Today I'm gonna do a simple meal, really quickie, and all we're using is hot links, bacon, and hot dog buns, and whatever toppings you like. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm starting out with a pack of Hillshire Farm hot links, 100% beef. If you don't want beef, you could use pork, chicken, whatever type of hot links you like, or you could use ballpark franks. You could use regular wieners. When I do hot dogs, I don't really like regular wieners, so I use hot links. And then we're gonna use just regular classic cut bacon. You can use thick bacon if you want. This is the kind that I like. And I'm just gonna take 2 slices. You can use 1 or 2. I love bacon, so I'm gonna use 2. And we're just gonna roll this hot link with this bacon. Just like that. And I'm going to use a toothpick. Stick it in there. And I'm going to stick one at this end. We're just going to center them in the middle of this pan. I think I'm going to lay them this way. Okay, so we're going to take 2 more slices and we're going to roll the hot link just like that. And again, we're going to stick a toothpick in there. You can kind of separate them a little. And then stick a toothpick in that end. Lay that one right there. Okay, so I'm going to do 1 more and then I'm going to do the other 2 off camera. I have my oven preheated to 365. As you guys know, I like 365. I have an electric oven. So I usually cook pretty much everything on 365. And once you finish rolling them, make sure you wash your hands before you touch anything, because we're dealing with beef and pork. So you just want to put that in there. I'm going to put an extra one in this one. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to do the other 2 off camera. And I'll be back before I place them in the oven. Okay, here you have it. All 5 are wrapped. And I have 1 slice of bacon left, so I thought I'd put it on there and cook it too. Okay, we're going to stick these in the oven, and I'll let you know how long it takes them to get done. I'm going to also flip them to the other side, so I'll probably leave them in there about 7 minutes on each side, but I'll definitely let you know how long it is on each side. Okay, it's been 15 minutes, and this is our progress so far. I flipped the 1 bacon over, but I have not flipped the hot links over yet. So I just wanted you to see what it looked like after 15 minutes. So I'm going to leave them on this side for another 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm going to flip them over and do the other side. So the other side I'll probably leave them on for about 10 minutes depending on the color. But I'll definitely let you know. Okay, after 25 minutes on one side, I'm going to turn them over now. And I'm gonna let them cook for about 10 minutes to start with on the other side. I'll be back. Okay, because I doubled the bacon, that's what made it take so long. So it was actually 50 minutes total. That's a long time. I probably shouldn't have doubled the bacon because it took longer for it to cook. But regardless, they beautiful. I'm gonna eat them. And it was 50 minutes. So 25 minutes on the first side. I flipped them over 20 minutes. And then I flipped them back over and took the toothpicks out for the last 5 minutes. Then I let them sit. I'm letting them sit to cool off. And then I'm going to make my hot dog. I'll be back and show you the ending results. And we're going to give it a name. Okay, here's the final results. What I did, I put Miracle Whip on both sides of my buns. You can use any condiments you want, but this is what's on this hot dog. Miracle Whip on both sides. Then we got jalapenos lined up on this side. We got sweet pickle relish on this side. And then we layered it with some white onions. And for our little sidekick, we added some Lay's plain potato chips. The name of this hot dog is BJ Bacon Damn Dog. How about that? Okay. Now let's try this damn dog. Hope it don't fall apart on me. I picked the right name. I'm gonna have to go on and go, because this right here, I need to take care of it. I'm getting ready to kill this one. I might have to make me another one. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, my hand all in the way. Well, anyway, thanks for joining me on this video, Rolling with BJ in the Kitchen. I'm going to finish this hot dog, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Peace and blessings, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.